Okay, so I had you try some rotations on this sheet of paper for homework, and I knew it was going to be a little bit hard because this is the first rotation you've done and you're doing it freehand. So I wanted you to try, but I wasn't expecting you to get it perfect. But I then realized that this grid is actually a little bit squished. The Y boxes, the spaces between each number on the Y-axis, is smaller than the spaces between each number on the X-axis. So I'm going to give everyone a new grid with equal spaces between each number on the X-axis and on the Y-axis, which will work a bit better for a rotation. So I want to show you a nice trick to easily rotate the shape. So here's my shape, ABC, same points as the triangle on this sheet, it's the same triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace over the shape just like we did when we were practicing rotations on Friday. But I'm not only going to think about rotating the shape, I'm also going to think about rotating the coordinate planes. I'm going to think about rotating this whole thing over our paper. So I'm going to trace the shape, and I'm also going to trace the X-axis, and I'll label it X, and the Y-axis. The X-axis goes this way as well. Now notice that there's a 90-degree angle between our Y-axis and our X-axis. So to rotate the shape 90 degrees, all we really have to do is rotate it from the origin until our X-axis lines up with our Y-axis, and our Y-axis lines up with our X-axis, or the negative side of our X-axis. And now we can just read the coordinates. So if you could all get your new grid and do that again and find the coordinates, we should be in business, and you should get the right answer now.